Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can automatically upload your photos onto Google Photos using the backup feature. So let's get right into it. This feature is only available on mobile platforms on Android and iOS. On PCs, it is not available. Usually, I am pretty sure it's because they don't want to enter your system or compromise your system in any way. So you can only do this on Android and iOS. However, you can easily view them from PC as well. Now, to turn backup on or off, what you need to do, and this is pretty much the same for iOS and Android, you just open up the app and sign into your account, and once you're there, you tap on your profile picture or initial, which is in the top right, as you can see on my screen on my PC right now. Then you tap photos and photo settings and go into backup, and then from there you just turn backup on or off, and that's pretty much it. From there your backup will be turned on. Now, to turn backup on iOS, you might have trouble with any permissions. To give Google Photos the needed permissions, you could just go to the settings app, go into privacy and into photos, and then just turn on Google Photos, and everything should be fine. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, backups will automatically occur. You can go to the settings and modify when the backups actually start, and you'll see a progress bar as well of how much they're done. You can also view the progress on your computer as well. However, the only difference is you can only manually upload photos from there. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.